I made it, y'all. I made it. And I'm walking to my stiff. Yeah, I don't know where to go. We're making it. We are making it. So basically, I guess I'm about to eat something. So I never had Dunkin' before. So I want to try this in person. Hi, you guys. So I made it and I got Dunkin' Donuts. It's my first time getting Dunkin' Donuts. So I tried it. It's pretty good. Not too sweet. And then I got these like mini bagels, like stuffed bagels. And I got everything but the bagel seasoning, like type. And I never had that before. Like I never eat bagels, none of that. So it was just kind of crazy, and it was really good. And I got this sandwich I'm about to eat. And it's like a turkey. I hope this is turkey sausage. And I got jelly with it. I got it on a croissant instead of the English muffin because I didn't feel like eating the English muffin. I wanted a croissant. So yeah, I'm about to see. It was smelling good, so I'm about to put some jelly on this thing and eat. I had I was trying to see if I can like talk to people and see like if there's some spots that we can go to out here, but I think we have a really solid lineup. I had a bunch of places to like our little notes thing, but I'm excited. Our room's not gonna be ready by the time Missy get here, but I'm eating, and then after I eat, I'm gonna do some homework. So I'm getting shit done. So then when she gets here, we can just do whatever. Yeah. So I'm trying to put too much on here because I don't want it crazy. Okay. First taste of this croissant. It's a nice size sandwich. It's crazy because like I don't eat sausage, but this kind of gives. Oh well, it's supposed to be turkey. Tastes good. Okay. I haven't eaten like that in so long. It's like, do I know the difference? For real? But it's pretty good. I wish I had a squeezable jelly. Gotta rake it on here. This is not becoming. I can't wait till we see it off her plan because I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of bored. I don't know what time it is in Houston right now. I don't know if the time changes. I don't know anything. Just made it here. I was so tired. And I really had a bad sleep on the phone. So, let me give y'all a little update on school. So I had assignments to do. Now 6. Somebody sent answers to 2 tests. One is a discussion. Midterm, I probably can Socratic it. And then I gotta do one real assignment, which is due Monday, so I may not do it till Monday. I have another assignment. It seems like it's not that bad, but it's like, I don't know, I'm making somebody to do it. It's only 250 words. Let me go text the group message like, oh, this sandwich is good. I be asking people like, do y'all want to get paid? But nobody want to get paid. Nobody cares. Everybody be like, it's hard sometimes to do the assignment by themselves. That they don't want to do nobody else's work, which is very unbecoming because I wish I had somebody who just wanted to do assignments and stuff like that, but it's never the case ever. So. Well, I'm gonna finish eating. And I'll talk to y'all later with some pops off. So. Me, my bestie cousin. Just hair by us. Hair by us because we are self-made.
So talented.
I'm not even lit.
Yeah, not lit yet. Definitely gotta go. It's time to get in action. Oh, I don't know what she wanna do, but this is the perfume.
Hey, we hopping out of red lights, working at the headlights. You ain't going outside today. What? Scared. Y'all bitches scared, right?
I sell opium for the night. You know how opium smells. Didn't I get that for you? I got you one, right?
This is the way you got me. I brought it.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
And then this one. This one is so good.
Put them on. Is it called Raven? Oh.
No, this is Madagascar Vanilla by Mist.
That's nice.
Yes,
It's
it smells good with the...
tropical bag. You make some. Oh, there you go. Still can't see shit. This is just it's so cute.
Yeah, we turned that.
So this is the room. Missy. I'm trying to send a video of the room. This is the side. This is the bathroom. And then after the bathroom, there's like kitchen. Back in here, a mirror, and then this is the other room. We're in Miami. We're looking cute and we're vibing. Hey y'all, so we are in the hotel. We're about to go eat at this place called Yardbird. Got the swimsuit on. Super cute. I'm gonna pull it down so it can be a little more choppy. So cute. I'm about to do my hair. I really want to make a TikTok or something, but it's so nice, y'all. I didn't get to show y'all anything. I really didn't show y'all the room, but I took a video on my phone. It's so pretty outside. So nice. This is our balcony right here. And it's just so vibey. We've just been having a good time. We had fun last night. We seen the City Girls last night. y'all see that clip too. Just had a good time, and I think Gucci Mane is supposed to be out here tonight, but we don't know what we're gonna. We don't know. We're gonna be at a we're going to a yacht party at 8 p.m. So y'all definitely go see that shit. I gotta make sure I keep my camera charged. So, but yeah, that's what we're doing. I need to put some like this body butter on me so I can be a little glistening. I just wanna glisten. I just wanna glisten.
Which side of the road do we need to be? I don't know. We had an amazing ass day.
Oh, she's good.
When I come through, wow.
Hey vlog, so it's 12:21 and we went on a yacht trip. I didn't bring my camera, but I had a good ass fucking time. Like, I'm lit as fuck. I think they're in their sleep. I'm gonna like warm up my food from earlier. I live on the balcony and vibe. I'm lit as fuck. But I don't know, I just want them to talk to like, hey y'all. But I'm just so like, this trip has got me so grateful. Like, I feel really good. I just feel good. I feel grateful. And I feel blessed. And I feel like it's just, you know, like, we're just here. Like, we're supposed to go out tonight, but we're just a little asleep.